I don't gotta have the bumps around the forehead. I don't have to do that.
Bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it. Is you?
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by NeatandSleek. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now for today's video, I will be showing you guys the install, some styling, and telling you what I think about this unit straight out the pack. But before we get into all that, listen, you know why I'm here, okay? SipnSlay has made her way back into the fray. So we have another new joint from Style Rosa. This is the Golden Honey Peach. Y'all see the coolness glistening off this bottle? I am so excited about this one. I can't remember her name, but she has been pressing me to try the Golden Peach because she says it is on point. Okay, so listen, you better be correct, because if you're not, I'm gonna find your name and I'm gonna blast you. You hear me? Ooh, let me go ahead and pour a little teeny bit. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, yes. Come on, get in my glass. Get in my glass. Ooh, child, that's good. I like that. Now, as always, I will be showing you guys the install of this unit. I will also be doing some extra styling. So if you want to see what styles I came up with for this unit, make sure you go ahead and stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. hold on. Put the wine down, Kie. So like I said, this unit comes to us from NeatandSleek. It is their Faux Locs Wig. It comes with a 13x6 lace parting space, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. It also has the attached elastic band, so if you want to wear this unit glueless, you can definitely do that. The unit also comes in 3 different lengths, so shoulder length, bra length, and waist length. It also comes in a small or medium cap. You can also choose whether you want sparse or no baby hairs. So I got the waist length unit, a medium cap, and sparse baby hairs. And I'm pretty sure no matter the specs you get, the price for this unit will always be the same. As you saw in my put down, I didn't wear her glueless. I did spray her down around my hairline. Like I said, it comes with the elastic band, so if you want to wear her glueless, you can. However, the cap sizes for this unit run small. I got the medium because that's the biggest size, but my wigs lose space when I wear my wig grip and if I don't have my hair flat under my unit. I decided not to wear my wig grip just to kind of give it a little bit more, you know, space. It didn't matter. In the back, I do have it up just a smidge, just to kind of alleviate some of the pressure that I do have around my hairline. And that is why I wear my wig grip no matter if I glue the unit down or not, because the wig grip for me, okay, for my temples, alleviates that pressure that I may feel around the hairline, that I feel like, you know, my forehead is kind of snatching back. I want to wear this joint all day, but I can't do it like this, okay? I can't. Oh, it's getting hot in here. If you have a big dome, you may need to finesse it like I did to make sure it's sitting properly around your hairline. If you're wearing the hair down the back, then you don't got to worry about the back showing, then by all means, like, do your thing. I don't know what that is, but you know, whatever. Now, it's no surprise that NeatandSleek comes with the bomb units all the time, and all the time they come with the bomb units, y'all, because this joint is definitely neat, it's definitely sleek, but I will tell you it's a little rough, and that's because it's faux locs, so you have pretty much, you know, braided hair, you know, wrapped around itself, so it's gonna be a little, you know, itchy around your shoulders and back and everything. Definitely use some warm water and conditioner in a spray bottle. Use some mousse if you want to. Spray her on down and let her air dry. This will soften up the unit a lot because it does give you like a little friction on the back, especially on your clothes. Depending on what you're wearing, you're gonna feel it, like, you know, kind of snag it a little bit. The hairline in this unit is pretty nice. Like I said, it comes with sparse or no baby hairs. I did get the sparse. However, I feel like I should have gotten the no baby hairs, just because I'm getting kind of over trying to swoop these baby hairs. If you don't swoop the baby hairs right on a braided wig, it just looks like a wig. I think I got them good for the most part, but you know, I could do better. And if you don't believe that it'll look good without the baby hairs, trust and believe it does. I will always reference my girl Shanice Nicole. She rocked a unit from NeatandSleek. She had no baby hairs and that joint looked fire, okay? I also think my girl Brittany, aka the Hearts and Cake 90, I think she may have rocked one without baby hairs as well. But either way, the ones that I found without baby hairs, I will put their videos down below so you definitely can check that out and see how they rock their units with no baby hairs and how it can still look natural, okay? My only takeaway for this unit is that it is a 13x6, okay? So you will not get the parting space in the back. Let me turn around so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You can see it's actual, like, you know, the tracks and everything. So make sure that you have this joint covered up. If you need help or, you know, need a mirror to check that joint, make sure you go ahead and do that. I'm assuming mine is covered up. If it's not, clearly we're gonna see it together. So, you know, it is what it is. You will not get any type of lace on the sides here. It's gonna be 6 inches of parting space all up in here, but on the sides here, you're gonna get like maybe 1 or 2 braids deep into the back, and then the rest of that is gonna be like, you know, the actual cap or whatever. So the parting space, the hairline, NeatandSleek, can you not put the braids so tiny and so, you know, tight? I want to say it took me about 15 minutes. I got these nails on, okay? I like my nails, and it took me forever to get that little plait of baby hair from across my hairline because I couldn't get my nails into there, okay? So if we can just twist it or leave it out or, you know, something, I mean, please. I appreciate you, thank you. But I'm pretty sure that's about all that I got for this unit, huh? Everything about this look is just giving me like summer vibes, okay? I'm here for it, I'm here for it, okay? Now I know you guys want to see some styling for this unit, see the flavor that I put on this joint. So I'm gonna go ahead and sip my wine and let you guys go ahead and get to it, okay? Cheers.
Yeah, shorty in the back, she said she working on the loose. Shorty in the back, she said she working on the loose. Shorty in the back, she said she working on the loose. Hey, she's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, hey, like a light, hey, like a light. Hey. Slept through the flight, hey, not for the night. Talk like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, Pastor Dawson Sally sending text me back, she say she working on the clothes, yeah. Ain't by the book, yeah. It's how it look, yeah. Got to check, yeah. Just check the foots, yeah. Pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama cover Forbes, got these other bitches shook, yeah.
Personally, I'm surprised you call me after the I said, skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like we, was it more than the summer fling? I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, I spill milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another vow, give me another hour or two. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you gotta want me? Why you hitting me when you know better? Know you know better, know you cool better than you do. Got me looking for you, I be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekends. Sure, baby, sure, baby, sure, baby, sure. We do whatever we want, whatever we want, however we want, it don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's about love. So you think so you think I gave you my number, I did it with you. Should never let you hit it, I did it with you. Why you did it, you got to fit.
Damn near every day. Asking me a question like Jock, where you stay? Tell them college ball, where they chop cars. Eat 20 grand, spend $1 grand at the bar. Just as about his own, J's on my feet. I'm on that Patron, so get like me. 69 cutlass with the bucket seats. Beat in my trunk, bought it just for the freaks. Catch me in the hood, posted at the store. Pistol in my lap on the phone, counting dough. If your girl chew, let her do a thing. Just like a mama, nice ass, night brain. Everybody love me, I'm so fly. Nigga throw the deuces every time I ride by. I know you wonder why, I'm so cool. Don't ask me, just do what you do. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down.
For those of you who are wondering if that little top bun was heavy, it was. She cute for pictures, but I may not be able to rock her like that all day. Are they heavy on my head right now? No, these are wearable. Okay, but just my temples. My temples, they need a rest. They need a rest, okay? And guess what? I can take this unit off, put her on my nightstand, put her back on tomorrow if I want to, okay? I don't gotta waste money and take my hair out after a couple weeks. I don't gotta lose my edges, okay? Get some little white follicles popping out. I don't gotta do all that. I don't gotta have the bumps around the forehead. I don't have to do that. So if you want to save your edges, save your time, and save your coin over the years, I will put the direct link and the specs down below so you guys can do that. Shout out one more time to NeatandSleek for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.